In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create seamless transitions using Capcut in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to video editing or simply looking to enhance your skills, these straightforward steps will guide you in adding professional looking transitions to your projects with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Capcut, which is our go-to app for this tutorial. If you haven't done so yet, create a new project or open an existing one that includes multiple clips. It's important to have at least 2 clips in your timeline since transitions are applied between them to create a smooth flow from one scene to the next. Once your project is open, take a look at your timeline where all your video clips are lined up. Between each of these clips, you'll notice a small white square. This square marks what's known as the transition point. It's where you'll insert your transition effect to blend the clips together beautifully. Finding this white square is crucial because it serves as your gateway to enhancing the visual storytelling of your video. Next, you'll want to go ahead and tap on that little white square. This action will open up the transition menu. Think of this menu as your creative toolkit filled with different transition effects you can experiment with to add flair to your video. It's your opportunity to explore varied options that can change how seamlessly your video segments flow into one another. Now comes the fun part, browsing through the transition styles. Within the transition menu, you'll find a variety of styles such as fade, slide, and zoom. Take your time to explore these choices. Each style offers a distinct way for your clips to move into the next, creating different moods and pacing. Suppose you're aiming for a subtle, elegant touch. In that case, a fade might be just right. If you're looking for something dynamic and bold, a slide or zoom could be more suitable. After selecting your desired transition style, you can further customize your video by adjusting the duration of the transition. This step is vital because the length of your transition can significantly impact the tempo and tone of your video. If you set a quick transition, it maintains a brisk pace, while a longer transition provides a more leisurely, dramatic shift between scenes. Feel free to experiment until you find the perfect duration that complements the overall feel of your project. Once you've settled on your transition style and duration, take a moment to preview how it all comes together. This will give you an idea of the final outcome and whether any tweaks are needed before exporting your polished video. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've leveraged CapCut's powerful tools to enhance your video with stylish transitions. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering video editing transitions like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.